name is Narrated, and my boyfriend Josh is going to be doing the voiceover of my makeup today. This is just an everyday kind of makeup look. I'm trying to get a little bit better lighting so you guys can see. He doesn't know any of the products really, so I will have them listed for you guys. But yeah, this is just kind of like an everyday. I'll also list the extension company and the contact company of what I'm using. And I hope you guys like our video.
Alright, here we go. So I'm about to do a makeup tutorial. First thing she's going to do is put some weird ass cream all over her face. I'm not sure what it does, but it looks like it moisturizes or something, and she starts rubbing it in. And yeah, so the next thing she's going to do is put some vampire contacts in. This will give her the vampire-ish, cute look, like she's gonna bite someone's neck, hopefully not mine, in the middle of the night. Yeah, looks beautiful, looks great, awesome. And then next we're gonna put some another weird ass cream called Hangover. This cream is something that you want to use after you have a really bad hangover, after you've been drinking all night. It heals your face really, so you don't break out. This is matte 125 brown shit. So what you do is you put some dots on your face and you just start rubbing it in, and what it does is it turns your skin a completely different color from what you naturally are, and it's really nice. It's really nice for multiple reasons, so you just don't look like yourself, It's really nice, really blends in with the skin well, especially when you get that 125. I think that's the SPF level. So when the sun, hits it, you have 125 degrees of protection, it's great. It's fantastic. So you don't get a sunburn and you look pretty at the same time. It's fantastic. It's great. So she's going to still rub it on her face. As you can see, it takes a little while. Beauty takes a while, it just is what it is. And that's the final result after you rub that shit in. And then next, we're going to go to this little booklet thing that has powder in it, and she's going to go with the light powder. She's going to rub her cheeks a little bit, make some fish faces, and that's what you do. That's just beauty is fish faces, She's going to rub it in, get it nice and deep like, into the skin, make sure it's blended. Put that little brush, put that little pink weirdo brush, and make the little fish faces. Finished result. Next, she's gonna color her nose. I'm not sure what this is for, but she's gonna color her nose. It looks good, looks great. And then next, she's gonna brush her eyebrows. Not sure what this is for. I think it's to straighten it. I don't know. She's gonna brush it. And yeah, the finished brush results. And she's gonna take a color pencil, looks black or just a regular pencil, and just start drawing on her eyebrows. And this turns your eyebrows a completely different color as well. Turns it from brown to straight black. And as you can see, she's curving it to make it look like not its natural shape. That's what you're going for, So what you do is you curve it around and just color it in as dark as you possibly can to make it completely look like not your natural eyebrow. It's really nice. And then you take this paintbrush and you start watercoloring it, and yeah, it looks really great. It looks really great. You can blend it in. You can do it in multiple different colors too. Black, dark black, light black, jet black. You never know. It's just a lot of different colors. Looking good, looking good. Next, we're going to rub some more cream on her eyelids. Again, not sure what this does, but it looks all right. It looks pretty good. Looks really beautiful once you blend it in. And what it does is it makes your eyes pop. It makes your eyes pop out and looks really good. Next, we're going to have this Becca glass thing. I think it has some powder. Oh, yeah, it has some powder. So you just start rubbing it on your face and your nose and all your cheeks and stuff. Make sure you get it in there nice and deep like. Can't really tell what it's doing, but it looks great. It looks great. Again, not really sure what this does. All right, now we're going to have some Tarte. We're going to rub it in on your face. Again, with this one as well, not sure what it does. Couldn't tell you. but it looks great. Looks great. This is the Jocelyn Hill palette, and it looks like she's going to use the white, and she's going to put it on her eyes. See, I can see the results of that one. It kind of just makes your eyebrows pop out a little more. Looks good. Looks good. She's going to color her eyebrows under her eyes, both of them. And so far, so good. You could see the kind of shine look I think she's going for. And next she's going to go with an orangey thing. And this you want to do right underneath what you just put on. So it looks like kind of like a rainbow of just like different dark colors that you wouldn't normally find in a rainbow, you know? So when you close your eyes, you know, the people see just like a rainbow that doesn't have any colors of the rainbow in it, you know? It's a really nice effect. You know, a lot of supermodels use this. Kim Kardashian, Kanye West, you know, a lot of them, you know. So yeah, blending it in her eyebrows, or her eyelids, I should say. Like I said, a lot of supermodels use this palette from what I hear. You know, Caitlyn Jenner, yeah, this is another one we're using. It's the brown one. You kind of want to put it right underneath what you just put on. So you got that little white, orange, and then dark shit brown, you know, makeup on. And it's really nice. It blends in with everything else. So you kind of just go darker as you go down from the eyebrow. So you have jet black, light, light orange, and then just brown, and then you just do it to the other side as well, and what you'll have is a combined color, and you'll look like you'll look like a supermodel. Like I said, a lot of supermodels love this. Next, we're going to use the even lighter brown, and we're going to go as close to the eyelid as possible, and you just blend this in, make it nice and light for you. Once you look, if you ever look down like at your shoes or something, you'll see it. It's really nice. The sun shines right off of it. Next, we're going to do this liquid H2O poof. I think it's eyeliner. Yep, it looks like eyeliner. So what you do is you color it above your eyelids, and it just gives it a really nice color. You kind of want to put it on your upper eyelids. Kind of want to wing it. That's what I say. You just wing it around. And then what you do is you make a little triangle wing shape, kind of like they do in Japan. And, you know, color it in, of course, after you're done making the triangle. Color it in. There you go. Look at the results. And then now you do the underneath part, underneath your bottom eyelid. There you go. Do it underneath the eyelid. Make sure it's nice and even. Make sure it's dark and raccoon-like. Almost like something you'd see Batman doing. Like, like if you were to take off his mask, this is what you would see right here. Just like the Batman look. Beautiful. Very beautiful. So now what we're going to do is what we call fake eyelashes. I'm not really sure why girls do this, but it looks nice, and it gives a little like fuller look to your eyelashes. And so what you do is you put the glue on, and you put the glue on the eyelash, and you blow really hard to make sure it dries, and then you gently stick it onto your eyelid and make it kind of blend in with your eyelashes. It looks really nice. Make it look full, and make sure that the extra glue doesn't stick out. And yeah, make sure it's all even and nice. Then what you want to do is add not really sure what this is, but you want to put a little horsehair brush, and you want to brush your eyeballs. And then we're going to take this pink pencil, and we're going to color in the outlines of our lips, kind of like a chola. What we call this is a chola pen. You can buy it at Walmart, 99 cents. So you kind of, when you put it on, you have to talk like a chola, like, hey, what's up, ese? Orale vato, put this chola makeup on. Hey, outline the lips, hey. Give me a tamale, some carne. Come on, carnal. Then you color in the lips a little bit. Looking really good. Kind of blend it together. Make sure it's all nice. And then you're gonna, of course, you're gonna put just the lipstick, and that's it. So we're gonna add some horsetails to our hairs with extensions.